So while everybody was enjoying Christmas, my email and social media handle, especially Instagram, was buzzing with questions from my viewers saying that I have done reviews on trading boats, both cryptocurrency and forex trading boats, and my conclusion has been okay. Like, you can interact with those boats, like, it's okay for you to interact with them. And that my videos about these boats, I did a video about Boatcoin Pro, cryptocurrency trading boat. I did a video about intelligence prime capital forex trading boat. I did a review about Royal Q LV boat, and they've been okay, although I went into details, and you can use your tongue to count your teeth, but they've been okay. I didn't exactly ask you guys to run away from them. And the questions have been coming like, are trading boats 100% risk free? And this is the question we've been having, and I decided to do this video and address that misconception. I'm not saying that trading boats are 100% risk-free and safe. When there is reward, there is always risk. Okay? The risk is directly proportional to the reward. Okay, if you're getting 50% reward, you're interacting with 50% risk as well. So that is something that you need to keep somewhere and be mindful of it. Now, when we talk about trading boats, both cryptocurrency and forex trading boats, the question you need to ask yourself is, are this crop of trading boats companies, are they the first to have ever come? If they are not the first, what led to the collapse of the former ones? I think we can start from there to begin to analyze the risk that is involved, because I know that we used to have Crypto World Company. There's a company that showed up then. They were into cryptocurrency trading. Crypto World Company. They went under. They no longer exist today. I also remember that in South Africa you had Mirror Trading International. Mirror Trading International came, and of course they disappeared as well. They collapsed, and their CEO then, Johann Steinberg, Johann Steinberg, they went under after scamming a lot of people. And you had AfriCrypt, and also you have FX Corporation. A lot of companies offering robot trading across forex and cryptocurrency have come and have gone. So let us begin to talk about some of the risk involved with these boats. Okay, number one, okay, you never can tell, you never can be too sure with the regulatory bodies when you are offering securities. If you are deemed to be offering securities, it doesn't matter whether it's through a trading bot or you have real human beings trading for you. If you are not licensed with the relevant authorities in the countries where you are operating from, there is a risk of you being shut down. Now, we're not even talking about the technical complications that you can have, or the intricacies of trading now. No, we're just talking about you being practically shut down by the powers that be for non-registration or for non-compliance. Okay, risk number two is when, of course, the market moves against the settings of the robot's algorithm. The robot is designed to react in a particular way based on the market realities. Okay, if something outside the settings happens in the market, the robot does not know how to react, and there's a tendency for you to lose money. See, like when a Bitcoin.com publication where they interacted with some of the professional traders from KuCoin.com. The professional traders say that, when it comes to speed of execution and accuracy, robots are very good for that. But for long-term successful trades, humans are always better traders, because they are able to be more versatile, they are able to use more of their emotional intelligence to be able to react to the market. Now, so what we're saying is that robots are not always better than human beings. There are circumstances where you need speed and accuracy. Of course, you use the robots, but when it comes to overall successful trade and performances in the market, trust me, the human being is always a better trader than a programmed robot. Because of course, we know that it is the human being that, of course, programs the robot. The human being is the one that programs the robot. So the human being has flexibility of thought. The human being has versatility that the robot would never have. So do not ever for 1 minute believe that the robot is a better trader than the human being. Okay? It is not always the case. Now, number three risk factor with robot trading is that majority of the companies offering you opportunity to make money via robot trading, they have this MLM structure, this multi-level market structure. Now, let me say something real quick. I have always said in my videos that I am always sympathetic and empathetic towards investors, more towards investors than network marketers. The reason I do reviews of websites and companies to see if they are fraudulent, if there's a possibility for people to lose money, I have the interest of the investors at heart more than the network marketers. You know why? The investor is the target of the network marketer. The investors are the ones who have the money. They are the ones who invest the money. You know, they shoulder a lot more risk than the network marketer. A network marketer can come into a platform or a company or a website with zero money, no money at all, and he or she will be able to amass so much wealth through matching bonus, referral bonus, team bonus, rank bonus. They make all this free money from the company. They make all this free. They come in with zero money and make millions. But the investor puts in money and earns a little return from the money that he puts in. So I'm more sympathetic towards the investor. So the risk factor for robot trading companies is the MLM structure, where you have a lot of network marketers who intend to come in with zero money and cash out millions. So these bonuses, matching bonus, referral bonus, they are loopholes where monies are leaving the system. For instance, if I want to engage a robot, I want a robot to trade for me to the tune of $100. Trust me, that robot will not have access to all $100. Depending on the levels, the compensation plan of that company, my upline up to third generation is going to get a share of that $100. My direct upline will get 10% of it. The one up there may get 5% of it. Another one up there may get 3% of it. Matching bonus will remove from the money. Team bonus will remove from the money. Tell me how much is left for that robot to trade with and bring me returns based on $100, because I'm investing $100. So my returns is going to be based on $100. At the end of the day, you find that the robot is trading with $20 and yielding, and is supposed to yield returns based on the $100 that I put in. Before you know, the system can no longer generate the monies that they promise, because all their top network marketers have taken the money away, and before you know, the platform will collapse. This is the most dangerous risk factor for all these robot trading companies. So if you must invest in a robot trading company, be it cryptocurrency or Forex, look for one that does not have an MLM structure or does not have any form of network marketing around it. Because the pyramid scheme is tied to network marketing and MLM operators. That's why you see, when a platform collapses, a company is no longer paying. An investor can mourn for a whole year. They are not happy because they have lost money. An investor can tell you, I'm no longer doing anything online business. But the next week, you see the network marketer advertising another company. The very next week, the network marketers, they move on really quick, very fast. Before you know, they are already advertising another company. They have moved on. Why? Because they went in with zero money, cashed out millions, and they are safe already. The investor is only getting a share of what they put in. So how much have they earned before the platform collapsed? Not much. So I'm always sympathetic towards the investor because they are the one who actually lose money. Network marketers don't lose nothing. The only thing that they lose is their integrity and self-respect, because if you lure me into a platform today and it fails, you're not coming back tomorrow to lure me into another platform. If I'm wise, I'll just shut you out because I know you're only after your bonuses and you don't really care about me. Okay? So another risk factor with these bots, I'll call it a risk factor number 4, okay, is that according to KuCoin trading experts, when they interacted in that journal with Bitcoin.com, they said that during your process of depositing money, before you now do the API binding and you now bind the robot to trade with your money, of course, the operators of that company, they have some degree of access to your money some way, somehow. They might have designed a mechanism where you inadvertently give them access to some of the deposit. I mean, during the transaction, during the funding, during the deposit, they might have access to your money and do some little bit of manipulations there that you cannot really be certain that your money does not get to them at all. Okay, and risk factor number 5 is when the robot is a scam robot where the results that are being generated, that are being shown to you, are doctored. I mean, we all interacted with FX farms. You know, they said they had this artificial intelligence that was trading Forex for them. I mean, all the results of those robots were doctored. Even though they were bringing it from the MyFX book, maybe they created a clone of MyFX book that was showing fantastic performances in the market. All the results that were being showed from the robot, allegedly, were all scam results. And I don't know how come the marketers of FX farms were not able to ascertain these things as at that point in time. You can't blame anybody. Everybody gets emotional when the greed sets in. Okay, if you are interacting with a scam robot showing you fake, unrealistic performances in the market, then you are running a risk with the robot trading thing. Okay, and finally, number 6 is trading is risky, and when it sounds too good to be true, then it's probably a lie. When they tell you that a robot throughout a particular period of time, maybe 6 months, maybe 3 months, is having 95% success with its trades, you have to check it very well, because if it sounds too good to be true, 9 out of 10 times it's probably a lie, because robots don't always guarantee success in the market. If robots always guarantee success in the market, the owners of that robot, they won't even allow you to hire it to work for you. The owners of that robot will not agree to rent it out to you or sell it out to you. They will keep it for themselves. They will go and get a loan of $100 and start trading gradually with that robot till they become multi-billionaires. If there's any robot like that can be generating consistent 90-something% accuracy in the trading market, nobody that designs such a robot will even allow you to know that they have that robot. Because they are not philanthropists who will grant you access to their money printing machine and allow you to be profiting off of it by paying a meager sum. Most of these companies that are offering robot trading, how much do they charge for a whole year for you to hire that robot? Maybe $100. Such a small amount of money for you to hire a robot of such a very high accuracy. Guys, you are taking a risk whenever it comes to robot trading and all that. You're taking a risk. So if you ask me between robot trading and human trading, if I can find a human being in whom I have a certain level of trust, I think I would prefer to interact with that human being, let the person trade for me, than for a robot to trade for me. Because if that human being trades for me and I incur losses, I can have a conversation. What happened What happened? Tell me what happened to my money. And the person can start talking. But if the robot misbehaves, who am I going to ask questions? Will I be having a conversation with a robot? Am I a robot? I'm not a robot myself. So the robot will not even understand my command. And majority of all these robot trading companies, especially with cryptocurrencies, you don't even know the team behind the project. All you know is that a robot is trading for you. The moment the robot dies, they close shop. You don't have anybody to ask questions. Okay, so do not be deceived into believing that robot trading is 100% risk-free and safe. No. And I want to reiterate this before the end of this video. If you must deal with robot trading, be it forex or cryptocurrency, please do not participate with the one that has an MLM structure. Especially if you are an investor, you are an honest person, you want to put in money and get returns. You don't want to go in with zero money and cash out millions like plenty of greedy network marketers. Interact with forex or cryptocurrency trading robots on offer by companies who don't have any form of MLM structures, because that way you are negating the greed of the networkers and you are sealing up the loopholes where monies are going. Money leaves the system a lot through compensation plans. Monies that should have been traded with, they go into the pocket of greedy network marketers. And the downfall of many companies over the history of online businesses has been on the table of the network marketers. They are the ones that are culpable. That's why you see a platform collapses today. That network marketer who was busy advertising that company moves on to the next company the next day because they hardly lose. They use your money as an investor to climb up in hierarchy and stock up their bank account with lots of money. So they are not emotional when any platform collapses. They just move on to the next one, on to the next one. While the investor is crying, they will come to you. I'm telling you, don't cry. When a man falls down, he gets back up and he keeps moving. I have another company for you. Come and invest. And you too, you follow them. You go and invest. You lose there again, they'll say, don't cry. There's another one. Let's go there. They are not putting their money. They go in with zero money and they cash out millions. So now, guys, I think we have laid the issue of robot trading to rest. They are not risk-free. They have risks, and we have analyzed some of the risks that comes with robot trading. Okay, if you like this video, actually smash the like button so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Share this video within your investors and network marketing circles. Let everybody see this. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so before. Till I see you in another video, I remain Victor Esibo. It is bye for now.